Hi guys, it's Margaret from Days Well Spent, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to propagate or root your own basil plants. Now these have been in here for right at 2 weeks. It'll be 2 weeks tomorrow, and these seedlings were planted 2 weeks ago. I like to keep seedlings going, but I also like to go through and do cuttings. Being able to do these cuttings means that I'm going to quickly, within about 2.5 to 3 weeks, be able to put these in soil, and then within a couple of months I'm going to have a plant this large. All right, so we're going to do this a lot like we do when we harvest basil. We see that we've got a split off here where I'd already clipped. So what I'm going to do is, here's that shoot off, here's another set of leaves. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to snip it. You want to get a longer piece than you do when you're normally just harvesting, because we're going to set this down in some water. Again, I've got a set of leaves. I'm going to snip it just above there. And then this is what I'm going to be rooting. To root your basil, you can use any kind of container. Just want to make sure that you change the water out every couple of days so that it stays nice and fresh. Again, I did these a couple of weeks ago, and you can see I've got nice long roots. These are just about ready to be planted in dirt. I like to wait till they're about 3 inches long, and that would be the roots being 3 inches long. Okay, to get our cutting ready, I'm just going to pinch off these lower leaves. These leaves are good to be used. I'm going to make some pizza tonight, so I'm going to save them, put them on the pizza. And then this area here, this stem where there was leaves, that's where our roots are going to come out at. And then you want to make sure that that area is what's down in the water. Okay, again, I've got those leaves. I'm just going to pinch the leaves off. My roots are going to grow from here. So this is the area that I want to make sure is submerged in the water. And just every couple of days, I'll come through to change out the water. As soon as those roots, again, are about 2.5 to 3 inches long, you can go ahead and plant it in your soil like you normally would. So with a little patience, you're going to go from the cuttings that you took to some rooted basil. All it takes is a little bit of time and patience. If you have any questions about how to root your basil, or what's known as propagating, let me know in the comments section and I'll be happy to help. If you like the video, I hope you go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and make sure that you've subscribed so you can stay up to date on our latest videos. And if you're looking for more inspiration, be sure to visit dayswellspent.com.